Hi everybody, JoPaddy here, and today I've decided to paint something for myself. I am painting a little unit for the wall. It's a three-piece. I'm going to do some chocolates and some teals, my favorite combination, like chocolate and turquoise. And it's going to be a three-piece vertical. And I have 8x24 canvases. That's actually my favorite size to work with ever. I love that size. And I do a lot of paintings on that size. But I'm going to start off with this with some spray paint. I'm going to be doing a pour on it, but I'm going to start the base with spray paint. And I have acrylic spray paints. So you can wash up really easily with it. I don't use, well, I do use some other spray paints, but usually those are metallics and stuff. But you can get metallics also in acrylic. But today I'll be using Liquitex spray paint, some titanium white, and I have the burnt umber. And what I'm going to do is spray paint the back of these. So I'm just going to spray, actually I'm not going to use the white today. I've already used it on a little starfish. I'm making a painting for the baby. But what I'm going to do is spray paint the back of these, so they're just a little more cleaned up and look a little better, and then spray paint the edges nice and chocolatey too. So that way when my pour and stuff goes over the edges, I've already have a nice painted edge. Okay, let me do this and we'll go on to the next step. I want to show you guys something. I had painted my ceiling chocolate. So this is as you come in the front door. I got my living room area over there. My kitchen's over here. I actually painted these cabinets too. I got, this is just a backsplash vinyl plasticky thing I put up there. And I even made my own spice rack with that. Made my little piggy. But anyway, I painted the cabinets. I faux painted the edges like that. And just did them in a white and silver. Because they were horrible. They were that old brown apartment looking type. Okay, but anyway, I love my ceiling because my ceilings are so high. I really like the cozy feel of it being down low. I feel down lower, you know, but not enclosed in. So I like to do that. Instead of having an accent wall, I just paint the ceiling. But anyway, I've had that for a while. And that's why I'm painting these three little chocolate things, because I wanted something different on my wall above the big TV over there. Hi, Ari. All right, everybody, let's get to painting. Okay, the back is done and dry. Just to show you, like, the edges are nice and chocolatey. So that way anything that runs over the edges, I don't have any white showing through. Spray painted the backs. I just like to have a stronger color on the back. More of a finished look. And then I went ahead and put the spray painted a little glistening on top. A little bit of turquoise glitter. Very sporadic here and there. I was showing you where I spray painted these in, and that is this. It's a spray shelter, and I love this thing because I can set it on a tabletop. I can put it on the floor in the garage. I can. It has a little air vent in the back. I can open it up. But this is good. It keeps overspray down, and also even in bad weather, whatever, you can just run out to a garage, or if you have to spray paint in the house. If you have proper ventilation, you can use this too and even zip it up in there. Okay, I wanted to show you that, so I love it. All right, now we're going to get to painting these three little paintings for my wall.